Williams Tower, located in the uptown district of Houston, Texas, is an iconic skyscraper standing at 64 stories tall, with a height of 901 feet, 275 meters. Completed in 1983, it was designed by architect Philip Johnson and partner John Burgee. The tower is known for its sleek, modernist design, featuring a distinctive tiered crown illuminated at night, making it a prominent part of Houston's skyline. Originally known as the Transco Tower, it was the tallest building in the world outside of a central business district when it was completed. The tower houses a mix of office spaces and is a significant business hub in the city. It is connected to the Galleria, Houston's largest shopping complex, via an air-conditioned skywalk. The adjacent Williams Waterwall, a 64-foot-tall architectural fountain, is a popular attraction for both locals and tourists, providing a scenic spot in the heart of the bustling uptown area.